Oh, hello everybody. I want to talk to you about the welding machine. Welding machine, to understand a welding machine, first thing that we must understand the small thing that the power modules like this. That is the inverter power source 24 volt DC positive and negative. We have the two power, positive power and negative power. It's in that when we have this power source. I supply for this 220 volt AC, and I will get the 24 volt DC. You can see the voltmeter. When I change this voltmeter into the 220 volt DC, and then I will test. This power source. The plus is a mass, and the rest is a positive. I have the 24.5 volt now, and other I have the I have a positive. Other I have the negative. Negative power source. I will show you the power source. In this power we can use this to you can use the 24 volt DC to operate the fan. 24 volt DC fan. I have a lot of 24 volt DC fan. Yes, we have the other fans. 24 volt DC fan. How I convert it to a 20 volt AC. Its frequency I ask 50 volt DC. Frequency is 50 hertz. I miss. Sorry. I will show you how to operate this. I will operate this fan. I use solder parts, soldering. And I will make this fan operate by using the 24 volt DC. The problem was I want to show you is that's about how to react 24 volt DC. Not about the power of 24 volt DC. 24 volt DC. 24 volt DC. This is very my hand is very I use this to operate the fan now. You see the fan operate is rotary, very rotary, very very cool. Very it's operate very cool. You know. I see that the 24 volt. How to match this one DC, you know, as we get the input from 20 to 100 volt AC, yes, and that we match it into and one DC by using for the rectifier. Rectifier it into DC, and we rectify it into a DC, and we have a DC one. And when we have HE 340 volt DC, 310 volt DC, you know, we have this, 300 volt DC. We on DC. Yes, you know, I have 267 volt DC. Yes, and I use this power source. This power source to supply for this power. It is it's very simple. It's one DC a progress convert from one DC, one AC to one DC. You know, when I slide it into 220, and I will start this one. You know, you can see that. I will show you that. I will get the 24 volt DC. You know, 24 volt DC. You know, high 24.7. And now negative 25.2. That is in that. I will convert you that. This is a transformer. Transformer is converts 300 volt DC, 300 volt DC to 24 volt AC by using the MOSFET, by using the transformer, and this IC, this AC 5L 5. I spell it. My English is very bad. You know, I press 5L 3A O. Yes, 5L 3A O. This is I see, and this is mass a high frequency to push and pull this transformer. And this transformer, you know, the transformer, and this converts this one AC transformer into DC. It's output. When we have a DC, we are MOSFET. We MOSFET have our oscillation, and this push and pull transformer, and this react AC at the output, and AC rectify. It's rectify into DC, and we use the capacitor to make it stable on DC. You know, when we understand this power source is a small power source, we can also compare with this welding machine. It is also the same, you know, very the same. It's also inverter, where inverter power is convert 200 voltage DC to 24 DC. It is the same like that. This right module. same like this my power module. That is same is I have a transformer, and the same is the forest I made by my arm. It's a 24. You can see. You can see, very small. 24. You can see 24 and 24 also. Yes, 24 and 24. Thank you for watching my video. This is my first video about English. Before I only make video about Vietnamese. I only not talk about the many things, but I want to opportunity for me to learn English day by day. I hope that my English will be stable, will be fluently, will be good, better, will be better day by day. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much. Goodbye.